Mastering preposition plus gerund combinations in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into a special grammar topic: prepositions followed by gerunds. Remember that a gerund is a verb form that ends in ing and acts like a noun. These combinations are a vital part of English, so getting a good grasp of them will help you sound more natural and fluent. Before we start, let's clarify our terms. A preposition is a word that links a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to some other part of the sentence. Common prepositions include in, on, at, by, and with. A gerund, on the other hand, is a verb ending in ing that is used as a noun, such as swimming and I like swimming. When you combine these two, you get phrases like I'm good at singing, he's interested in learning, and she's tired of working. Notice how the preposition is directly followed by the gerund. Now, let's look at some common preposition plus gerund combinations. Memorizing these will make your English sound more natural. 1. Good at plus gerund. She's good at playing piano. 2. Interested in plus gerund. I'm interested in reading historical novels. 3. Tired of plus gerund. He's tired of cleaning the house. 4. Afraid of plus gerund. She's afraid of flying. 5. Excited about plus gerund. They're excited about traveling to Europe. Now that we have some examples, let's use these in sentences. This will help you get a better understanding of their usage and function. 1. After good at plus gerund. My brother is exceptionally good at drawing. 2. After interested in plus gerund. Are you interested in joining the book club? 3. After tired of plus gerund. I am really tired of hearing that same excuse. 4. After afraid of plus gerund. She is afraid of making mistakes. 5. After excited about plus gerund. We are excited about exploring the new city. To truly master these combinations, you need to practice. Try making your own sentences using these preposition plus gerund combinations. You can start by changing the nouns and verbs in the example sentences and progress to creating completely new sentences. That brings us to the end of our lesson on prepositions followed by gerunds. I hope this video has been helpful in improving your understanding of this important aspect of English grammar. Remember, the key to learning is practice, practice, practice. Until next time, keep practicing and improving your English. Happy learning!